Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is hump day. Yay, yay. We have another special unboxing to do from Amazon. Link is going to be down below. Here you guys can check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. I don't know what happened to my scissors, but we'll use this for now. I need to get a blade. Box cutter. Gotta find one of those too, so I'll get these going. Here we go. And we have here. Dun 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 dun. Get that over there. Don't need that anymore. There we go. Empty. Alright, we got some kind of urn, canister. There we go. Got some old Dutch called big old canister. I thought there was more in here. Aha! Here we go. We got another one. And what do we have here? Yep, Old Dutch International on Amazon Prime. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. This is for your flour, sugar, coffee grinds, any kind of spice you guys use. These are nice touch. Nice housewarming gift for somebody. Got the nice bronze to it. Bada boom, there's inside. I could fit some good amount of flour or sugar. Whatever you guys choose. Here's the little guy. And then got an airtight seal going on here. Ooh, bam. See, look at that tight. That's nice. Oh, look at this. It's like one of those small little figurines that they have like multiple people in it. I forgot what those were called, but hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. But there's the inside of that one. Nice, nice. 1, 2. Must be the third one. Definitely, I'm gonna rinse these out before use. I suggest you guys do the same. You never know sometimes. Be safe than sorry. So we got the lid. Goes like this. Show you that one. And then now we got the third one. Alrighty. Oh, whoa. Look at that. There's another one. That was pretty impressive. That lid right here. So there's 3. Is there another one inside this? That's pretty cool. Here's a little guy. This might be for coffee more, I would assume. Boom. Pretty cool. Something different. So you get a set of 4. Flour, sugar, and all that good stuff right there. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. You can order one for yourself or another family member. Great housewarming gift. Great stocking stuffer or small little gift for somebody. Your boss, whoever. Oops, sorry about that. But definitely check them out. Old Dutch canisters. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers. Be safe and see ya.